Okay, today I'm going to walk you through an example of how to code your own sandcastle. So remember, just like in the book we read, when you're coding, you have to be very, very specific, pointing out each step. You can't just say, grab a shovel and build a sandcastle. You literally have to say, take 2 steps towards the shovel, then pick it up. So we're going to use arrows to help us code building a sandcastle. So this arrow is to move up, to move down, to go right, to go left, and if you want to pick something up to use it, you have to use the star. Today I'm going to use this little character to help me remember where my steps are. So if you want to use something at home, you can even use your pencil and make marks, or you could use a little character to help you out so you don't get lost. So we're going to begin at the start. The first thing I need to do is pick up a shovel. So my little character needs to walk 2 spaces over to get to the shovel. So I'm going to draw 1. Step 1, move over 1 to the right. Step 2, move over another to the right. 1, 2. Now I'm at the shovel, so I must collect it. I'm going to put a star for collecting. Excellent. Now that I have my shovel, I need to go get sand. So in order to get to the sand, it's up here. I'm going to move 1 space to the right, 1 to the right, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces up. So I'm going to draw 3 up arrows and move my character 1, 2, 3. Now I need to pick up the sand, so I write a star to collect. Now I have the sand. The next thing I want to do is to build a sandcastle, you need to get that sand wet so it stays in place and firm. So my water's over here. Now I need to go get my water. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left now. 1 arrow, 2, and I draw my 3 arrows to the left. 1, 2, 3. Now I can pick up, oh, my little guy's stuck here. I can pick up my water. So I'm going to press the star for collect. Okay, next thing, I have my water, but there's a code for add the water to my sand. So I need to move over to that. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the right. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows. And I'm going to move him 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll press the star for do that action. Add the water. Okay, now I've got my water added to my sand. The last thing I need to do is go dump out my sand. So I'm going to go 1 to the right. And then how many spaces down do I need to go? 1, 2, 3. 3 actions down. Now I'm to my sand, and I'm going to press a star to dump it out. Okay, now to finish my challenge, I just need to reach the end. I'm going to go back up 1, 2, 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and I'm at the end. Your codes might not look just like mine. You could have taken a different route. Usually there is no right or wrong with coding. You could have went a different way to get to the sand. You could have went a different way to add the water, and that's okay. So your coding sheet might look different from a friend's, and that's perfectly all right. As long as you mapped out every single specific step, a computer or a robot would know exactly what to do. All right, friends, good luck coding today.